How to set up the AT&T All-Fi Hub Air. You want to unbox everything. You will get the All-Fi Hub, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. The second step, we will be finding a good spot. You want to place the hub near a window or open area for best signal. You want to avoid thick walls, basements, or closets. The third step is plugging it in. You want to connect the power adapter. You have to wait for the device to power up. Lights will turn on. Wait for startup. The hub will go through a short boot up. Blinking lights means that it's connecting to the internet. Solid lights means that it's ready. Connect your devices on your phone, laptop. You want to go to Wi-Fi settings. You will then look for the network name on the label, which is going to be under the hub, and enter also the password, which is going to be listed there. Optional, you can also download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app for easy management, changing Wi-Fi name, password, and device monitoring. It's optional, but your internet also works without it. Test your connection. You want to open up a browser or app to confirm everything's working. If not, you can try restarting the hub. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.